All right, day 2 of Pythagorean theorem. Today's going to go even quicker because I don't have to really present it. Just a quick reminder, we are using the Pythagorean theorem, but today we're going to be solving for a leg. So we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and I'm still going to be plugging into this formula. So here's my 90-degree angle. This is c. So now they're giving you a length for the hypotenuse. These two sides, you can label them with an A or a B. It doesn't matter. I'm going to say this is A. I'm going to be solving for B. It doesn't matter because you're adding. So that's why if you want to call this A, it doesn't matter. So now I'm going to plug into the Pythagorean theorem. So instead of A, I have 7 squared plus B squared equals 10 squared. Square everything out. 49 plus B squared equals 10 squared is 100. Subtract 49. B squared equals 51. And then again, once you get to the square, just like yesterday, take the square root. So the square and the square root, they cancel each other out. And then you take the square root of 51. Square root of 51 is 7.1. You're always going to round to one decimal place. 7.1. Let's make sure this makes sense. 7.1. Is our hypotenuse still the longest side? Yes, it is. So that's how we know we did that right. Let's take a look at a couple of more. So for B here, across from the 90-degree angle, that is C. And then we're going to say that this is A and this is B. We'll switch it up a little bit. So Pythagorean theorem says take a squared, so y squared, plus b squared, set that equal to c squared. Square things out. 15 squared is 225. 20 squared is 400. Subtract 225. So this one's a little bit more work because you do have to subtract. 400 minus 225 is 175. And then you're going to take the square root. So grab your calculator. And I'm taking the square root of 175, and I get 13.2. Let's make sure that makes sense. So is our hypotenuse still the longest side? It is. So that's how you know you did that right. I don't think we really need to go over this one because it's the same idea for these ones. So today you have only legs. Tomorrow you have a combo of both. So tomorrow you're going to have to make sure and figure out, am I solving for a hypotenuse? Am I solving for a leg? Label the sides and you'll be good to go. So any issues, don't hesitate to reach out, guys.